Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is a Forex day trading tutorial. Very simple, using our roller coaster indicator suite. So roller coaster indicator suite really is the stochastic MACD cross strategy on steroids. So it does it all in the background, gives you an entry, a stop, and even a trailing stop to get into those trades when we have that roller coaster motion with Forex pairs, and it works for futures as well. So one of the things that we will see in this example, this is the last three trades on the 15-minute for GBP US dollar. What we're going to look at is the signal, the entry, the stop, and the trade management. As you can see here, if I just move my cursor slowly, you can see the roller coaster motion here where we're coming up, we're coming down, and we're going back up again. It's just like a roller coaster, and a lot of instruments will have this type of pattern. We just need to look at those sort of standard time frames. This is the 15-minute time frame. You would look probably at the 5, the 15, the 30, even the hourly. Get the groove and just trade very simply. So let's start with the first trade. The first thing you'll see, you've got a little green arrow. That's the signal candle here. What happens when we get the signal candle is we get the green, the entry line, and the stop line down here. You see the next candle actually pushes through there, and then when we start to print the trailing stop, you see the stop comes up through here, and this is our trailing stop position. Now, very intuitive. If it just tips that out there, and you take your profit at this stage. It does continue higher, but hey, you can't get every single move. This is about a simple strategy that gives you consistent results. We're not trying to chase the big trades. We're trying to get the roller coaster motion up, down, up, and then just keep going. So the next trade was a short. We get the down arrow in red this time. This is the green arrow. This is the green line for the entry. The stop's all the way up here above this pivot. And then pretty quick, we start to print that trailing stop position there. So as soon as it takes that out, take your profit. Last trade, and this is still in right now. So again, we bottom out. We start to come back up again. The criteria, all the calculations are worked out behind the scenes. Gives you that green arrow for that long. Gives you the entry, gives you the stop, starts to print that trailing stop, and that's where we are right now. The trade is still in. It's actually just testing these previous highs right now. We're locking in profits. So last three trades on the 15-minute time frame for GBP US dollar, and that's what it looks like. Very simple. There's no calculations for you to do. You just try and find the groove. If I just change that to the futures contract, you will see 6B is pretty much the same. Okay, so whether you're trading the Forex pairs or the futures for that, it's just a very simple strategy, a very easy strategy to follow. You don't have to do the calculations. You don't have to have much on your chart. It keeps it very clean, and you get to trade that roller coaster motion of the stochastic and the MACD cross with a few extra points of control to give us the decent entries, the signals, that trade management to help you successfully get around that motion that instruments, that Forex instruments have, those currencies that have that roller coaster type motion, gets in those trades and manages them for you. Check out the links below. It's available. There's lots of platforms. It's available for, this is the trading view version, but check out the links below and check out if it's available for your platform.